Hey everyone, Jonathan from Geyser Systems here. This weekend, we're launching a totally new product, super exciting. Your entire shower system fits into this. Introducing the Geyser Clean Kit. I'm gonna say something that's really wild and crazy. This bottle is enough for a 4-minute shower. Or if you see this entire Dometic 11-liter jug, this is 45 minutes of shower time. Let me show you how it works real quick. You got a cell phone charger, any cell phone charger works. You plug it in, turn the valve, and instead of a shower head that blows in wastewater everywhere, we're gonna send each drop of water exactly where you need it with this sponge. And by the way, these sponges are interchangeable and they're different colors. That way you know whose is who. So let's say the blue sponge is for me. I got a gray sponge for the dishes, the green sponge is for you, and now we have our Basecamp organized. By the way, show special this weekend, we have this accessory tactical bag. It has everything that you need. You got the 1.5 liter water bladder, you got a 3-pack of sponges, the entire clean kit with another sponge inside, and 2.5 hours of shower time with this cell phone charger gives you plenty of extra space for all your other accessories. Normally it's $149, it's going for $129 this weekend. And if you want to find out more, you can always go to geysersystems.com and look for the Clean Kit collection. This is the Clean Kit. And if you want to find out more about our OG product, the Geyser System, 0.8 gallons lasting up to 15 minutes of shower time. Or if you already have an RV or a camper and you need a RV or camper equivalent product, we got some great products for you there. At any rate, geysersystems.com, we're here to help you make the most of every drop of water.